I'm not here for politics. I'm here to unite our people.
Yeah.
Angijabuli mangizwa ukuthi KZN kushawisha ngani.
Let us stop criticizing apartheid. We are here.
The situation is now.
We are facing this situation now.
Sometimes it's gonna put us in the hot water. Asilweni neHome Affairs first.
Ngeke baba
Ngoba yibo
People will come.
And amapedi nabo badume ngokuthi ke bomma amadoda akhona bathi ke bomma masebenze usebenzela umama wakhe ekhaya nje uyayibona. And then maZulu libona gobe le di perceptions tseo tja gore baZulu banenkani baSotho gona le ntwe ya gore go ka hira mosadi wa moSotho ka ga go zokuthathela indoda. I think we
kodwa ke njengamanje ngifuna nje ukuyihumblisha baba ngithi ngiyaxolisa kakhulu la kwalumela khona. You are my father.
Oh, but this is so sweet. This is a moment. This is a moment.
Njoba sonjalo sithi ke bayede wena wendlovu wena lo hlanga lomhlabathi wena kabhejana phuma eqiweni kade bekuvalele unesibindi ibuthelezi okhuthazela umuntu akandaba bemthuka bemcofula bethi usolithini akubonisa hayi bankosi kanti bamgcoba ngomfuthe phepho iyakuthi kwabalandela usodidase inkonyane ethi kandaba ethi thenga imbala nani magundane alele ekhethweni kwaNongoma nani magundane alele ekhotheni kwaNongoma niphumani ngeindlela zonke nibike labangakezwa ukuthi igula likagcama lichithekile lichithwe ingolendala ngiyakithi kamalandela ngamza kwethu silapho kwiBhinqa Nation podcast asidlali la sigcina umlando wethu ngoba this network i-Podcast and Chill Network is a network that is #1 in Africa and top 5 in the globe. And we want to push it to make sure that it's become #1. As a Zulu Kingdom, as a Bhinqa Nation, we are the #1 people and that are rooted and cultural, that were the reason of why who is Africa. And then, njoba silapha nje nganza kwethu, sibabisana kakhulu nomfowethu uMacG lamhlanje ke sinama guest amahle kakhulu aphakathi kwethu sizokhuluma sidingide sibonisane sivumelane siphikisane kube mnandi nganza kwethu ngoba sakhe isizo sawuphoko nomagebe sithi hlangana mhlathi yazwanayo sithi umAfrika nomAfrika akabe munye kodwa hayi la thina sikhuluma ngabakithi la eSouth Africa.
Africa yodwa.
Hayi la. Okokuqala ke nje ngifuna ukwenza nganza kwethu ukunikeza nje dadewethu Pinky kubingelele nabafowethu abakhona babingelele.
Sanibonani emakhaya igama uPinky intombi yenkosi Shange yimi lo uMiss Bhinqa Nation namhlanje siphethe amaguest. She said I'm so excited. Everybody, you better sit down and don't go away. Stay tuned here. Follow us podcast until Pinky_Smallest24.
Erekitse sebaka se le nna ke le dumedishe mo gae ke nna Tebogo wa Mahlela ke setlogolo sa Matebele Makonkwana a hloka kgomo a ja motho ba re Madebele se maggoa se tla lebise ga mporoko di go morwetla wa botibudi atlo wa bo mavulaga to gena o vulela ntlo le swele a se mohlolo bo bua bo serita morwa Mahlela ere ke tshabe baditi mangitsi ere ke tshabe baditi ke ra gore ngizomala.
Okay, full stop.
Asichaba diti.
Oh, mshabala diti.
Nisho ukuthi ngimala. Mshabela diti.
Mfowethu abandawo.
Ikutshukutshu bopha umthwalo uhambe khathide kude kwanongoma yakho indaba okhonza imbuku eThekwini muhle wena khathide ngoba uyancwadi imbuka lincwadi liyajwa kuzisa ivoti amantombazana engabe nishikizela nje bese nizwile le ndaba ukuthi iphatha nini. Ngilapha estudio iBhinca Nation ngibiza uMacingwane ngiyakhuleka emakhosini onke ngiyakhuleka kwindlula mithi yamakhosi ngiyakhuleka kongange ukujula kolwandle ngiyakhuleka kulona ongange izintaba zakhe zonke sithi bayede indaba ezitha ngiyathokoza kakhulu Macingwane ngibingelele kakhulu ngenhlonipho kubaba useduze kwami ubaba Penny ngibingelele kubabukeli bethu bonke emakhaya.
Siwabukele baba.
Aye.
Ahe.
Mina Mchangani Mtsonga uchava kutsongola xa munhu. Mtukulu wa Ngungunyani swihluka swa Ngungunyani.
Ngungu.
Ngungunyana phela abakithi phela.
Ni nga chava ku ti vitana Mchangani Mtsonga. Hikuva ni Xikwembu xi hi nyike ririmi rero. Ngungunyani swo Xangani. I van'we na Mazulu. I vafuwethu. A ku na lexi nga hi hambanisa hi vanhu van'we. Se ni la ka Bhinca what?
Bhinca Nation.
Bhinca Nation swi vula ku ri i program ya misava hinkwayo ya South Africa. Se lani hi tele ku vumbana hi va xilo xin'we. Namuntlha ka ha ri na Mchangani, a ka ha ri na Mzulu hi van'we we are one. Ahe.
Isaka sakheke uthi Papa Penny isaka sakheke ubaba okhona phakathi wethu kodwa ke ngokunhlonipho yakithi mfowethu abandaba nawe Tebogo Pinky uzongivumela ukuthi njengomntwana ukhuliseke kahle bengicela ukuqala kubaba ukuthi nini kwaba nokulumela kwamagama esikhathini la ke uMalema ethu zeThekwini lo mfana lo ongahloniphi umuntu ongazimuntu uMalema ngasho wathi mina akahamba yele ngakubo esisheho alayisha amashangana ngakubo ayele ayokwenza imbizo khona uzofuna nokwaZulu ngasho kanjalo wangenelela ubaba uPapa Penny washo wathi you touch Shangane as you touch me yabo wakhuluma ubaba Penny unelungelo ngemdala lokungithethisa mangumntwana bakhona la ngibhede khona kodwa mina njengomntwana ukhuliseke kahle kwelakithi kulengabade noma Afrika anginalo ilungelo lokuphendulana nobaba ongizalayo esidlangalaleni ngicela ukuthi ubaba uPapa Penny ngaphambi siqhubeke by anything ngicela ukuthi to humble myself and apologize to you. You are my father and you are the legendary of music and you are the historian of the Nsonga culture and you have been with you quite few years since I've been with SAPC and Roots SAPC 1. The unifier is within my blood and because in the Roots show I was a presenter with Tebogo Mashayela from Limpopo. We got different cultures. Sinama cultures ahlukahlukene where we present and then sikwazi uhamba siye lengisho khona le kumavenda siyodla amashongololo lawa thina sathi uthi icabcaba idloko kodwa sasiya lena sifike sidla amasolonje sathi icabcaba sabekezela ngoba yini nasilela ubunye kodwa ke njengamanje ngifuna nje ukuyihumblisha baba ngithi ngiyaxolisa kakhulu la kwalumela khona. You are my father and you are the icon of the
Oh, that is so sweet. This is a moment. This is a moment, yes.
bese welcome to the Bhinca Nation.
Welcome.
Ibhinca namhla.
Sesingaqala ke baba kodwa baba kubalekile ukuthi we unify the nation sihlanganise isizwe ngoba baba nami ngiyengizwe baba ngoba phela sengixolisile manje soqala phansi siqala ingcabanesha ke manje siyakhala ke manje sizophikisana baba sivumelane kusazoba uphetuza la kabhedu akukho futhi okunye.
Okay.
Seyisukile ke manje.
Okay.
Yabo seyisukile baba ngithi baba ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi njengoba nje uba sithi sihlanganise isizwe sawuphunga nomageba senkashana kabezi yaphuza umlasa kaMeva siyinto eyodwa la eNingizimu Afrika. Our government from the dawn of democracy, Nelson Mandela, they failed to unite us, even with the Western race. Amabhunu, bahlulekile kusiunify. So it's high time babo Papa Penny yokuthi we forget about politics. Politicians have failed us. This is their self-enrichment. Only civil organization and cultural gathering like abafowethu ophakela umthakathi udadewethu Jacinta Ngobese and myself ongizwe Mchunu lokho masihlangana Papa Penny we can rebalate this country singalishintsha lelizwe libe into eyodwa sihloniphana ngoma culture ngoba uhulumeni usithanda si divided ngoba once we united we're going to be more powerful than anything that any person can ever see in this country. If you look at an historical moment sinomfowethu undabandaba nensizwa ekesuka kona ngoma isuka eThekwini ekesuka yonke indawo zizokwazi ukuthi sahamba saya kuGombo ku city of uGombo la kwahlangana khona umXhosa nomZulu baba vele bengabandawonye njengoba noBaba Pen esho ngithi baba njengamanje sisesikhathini esijulileyo sikubonile uyikhansela likaKhongolose le sikubonile manje uyimember of parliament National Assembly kwi-MK konke lokho siyakwamukela sikubonile umculi uunifya izizwe uthini uma izwe lethu lonakala kanje futhi lonakala kakhulu ngabantu ongesibona balelizwe.
What I can say to you guys, I'm happy today because your apology is not for me, it's for the entire Tsonga Shangani, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, South Africa, Swaziland. This you are apologizing to them. Nyachabula, na Kensa, Chinene. Mwina mibona kunamutra is a peace amongst us as 11 language in South Africa. We are one. Koloba ka hina namuhla ihlanganini itahlanganisa hina hinkwenu. Nakuru, where are we come from? We have to know where are we come from and where are we going. Because these things of tribalism is created by the apartheid. Then we adopt apartheid to bring it in the ourselves, 13 ourselves as a tribalism. Today we must end this because we are wasting the time.
Yes.
Ukuthi silwe sodwa sikhohle ukuthi abaphi abantu fanele sibalwise. Because now we are focusing to chase our black people. Yes, it's okay. But I never see Ibinga or anybody marching for the white people. From today, I see again Gulwa Sota Bafet. Let's face the truth. We are the one who receive these people, put them in the village. Give them our little spaza, like we don't know what we are doing. Sibanikeza my business imizini yethu for 32 years. Why I'm saying 32 years? I'm 32 years in the music.
Wow.
They are started 1994 democracy. I started 1940 to record to be artist. Mina Mankula, my ID by Palo Shangan. I take ID 1977. Ipalo Shangan. All over is the Shangan. Shangan means so Shangan. The Tonga land that we have in KZN is us. Tonga into one. Shangan is the umbrella of everyone. When I'm Kuluma Fanagit, you born 1980. I'm 65 years now. Mauti mina. This Tonga Shanga city mina. Nyahamba na famba. Izolo, tolo. Amaswati. Singabantu be one. Amazulu, we are one. Amandebele, we are one. Amakhosi, we are one. Labantu bahlukanisa ngempi kaShaka Zulu. You must do understand. But we're from KZN in the Tonga land. That's why we call it Tonga. Who changed the Tonga land language? Is our Prime Minister Ntsanwisi. He said Tonga, but we are Tonga. Singamatonga.
Okay.
Into Shangani, it was just a Kipchat. We've been Kipchat. In the same name of Soshangan Ungumalo.
Okay. Wow.
Umuntu nomuntu mabaleka to be captured by Shaka Zulu ukuthi bawele phakathi kwese name of Zulu. Abaleka athi mina ngiyinkosi. Ngeke ngiwele phakathi kweZulu. ngoba sonke singabanguni. You are ngunis. We respect that. But who divided us? It's not us now. It's them. Wempiya kaShaka Zulu. Umzilikazi wabaleka athi ngeke mina ngiwele phakathi kweZulu name. Umswazi wabaleka ngeke ngiwele kuZulu. Shashangani wabaleka. Manje yonke lento le sibantu beyi-one. Let's try to fight the reality. Ngoba siyahlasela lapha. Isikhathi sekufacana the truth asiboni. Sisashayana ngamazwi, sishayana. The culture of South African is to respect
Each other.
and do the research. Ekuthi sibuyaphi singabobani siyaphi. Yini into esihlaselayo? Leshi babisakho iyini? Because the system of the apartheid, it was us to divide ourselves. When they do demarcation, the South Africa that did the demarcation 1910, behind 1910, it was no border. Between us and Mozambique, it's because when they do the demarcation, they left us behind of South Africa. Some they left them in Mozambique, some in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, we have the province called Chiretsi. We have a province. In Swaziland, we have over 200 Tsonga Shangaan people. You Google Mozambique, we are 24 million. You can Google now. We are more than 40, 50 million Shangaan speaking, Tsonga speaking. Just because we are divided by the apartheid.
Mana kwenziwa yini ke babu selapho nje ngangena emlonyeni ukuthi njalo mangabe uqhamuka igama lithi Shangane amashangane then it automatically you feel offended.
Yeah,
kwenziwa yini ngoba mawungibiza ngomZulu mina vele ngumZulu and then lento ngayibona naku uDuduzile uDuduzile uMazuma ethi naye hey, amashangane, where did this sensitivity come from? Because even yourself, you call yourself Shangane. Now we are fighting for someone to call you Shangane.
No. I'm a Shangane.
Oh.
I'm a Shangane. Let me out
Class,
to chair.
yes.
One of them.
Yes.
Wait. Let me explain. If you talk nice about us, why we worry? Why we complain? Because into Shangane, Yakala is mining. Is mining. Remember before in mining banga vumela bafasi. Bangen is mining. Masia ama town. Sathandwa ngabafasi. That's why I'm having 33 children.
Yeah, but okay.
Well, no 13. Wabona semncane. And then, yeah. And then, and then, Masi Tata basithanda abafazi is mining. Baqala bathi amashangana asithathela abafazi. There's a name comes from. We never be a bad people. Laqala lahamba kancane wathi amashangana. Wafika la sizwa ngathi bathi siyimfene. But it was a great name because sinalithando. We can take care about woman. And masiyenze lithando sishaya straight.
Okay. Okay.
Sinawo izandla zelithando siphinde sibambe umfazi angeke asabuyela kuwe.
Impatho.
Yeah, njengendoda. Njengendoda. Ayizange icreate ngamaZulu or ngaba yacreate ngabantu ba lazy amadoda abe lazy kubafazi babo. Baqala kusicula manje amashangana.
No, but indoda can be lazy to his wife.
Let me tell you, I think when
I need clarity there.
Okay.
Because a man can't be lazy. A wife can't compare his man to another man. Maybe we can say ladies.
Okay, let me tell you.
Women.
If now
women. That means Shangaan were wrong if they were taking people's wives.
No. anithi ngitshele iqiniso asilalelene ngiza kunika isikhathi sakho mfethu akunyiketa we wena namanje lento isayenzeka
Sayidibe.
it's not because of only married woman
Yes.
intombi uyithatha indodeni ingakatshadwa ngithi
Yes.
labantu baqala ama boyfriend ama girlfriends we are not taking people's wife baqala ukuthi amashangane adisa kakhulu
Yes.
angithi
Oh niyakhokha ingqondo yakho
siyakhokha wena mawungakhokha siyakhokha
Phela emakhaya yabona.
hey no they are started from the mind before the Mozambique
Vele ngiqale nje ingqondo.
Rhodesia aninginike isikhathi phela
Yebo.
it was Rhodesia mina ngisebenza ezimine from 79 to 87 ngisebenza ezimine
Uyabonakala
Abafazi
nesandla ama decoration imine yodwa lelo ibe.
no I'm a gold because South Africa is about the gold it's a mineral
Okay.
I'm proud to be South African to be African because it's a too lazy it's not the culture for white people it's for us African people that's why my culture is a gold it's a minerals
Precious metals.
yes bona basiyenza animals bathi we must wear always skin yes we are black and legama le black is insult we are not black ubani wafaka la magama ukuthi kuno black kuno white
Kuno white, yeah.
because you can't find white in the human being
Ba pink nabo nje.
Eh,
no
nabo
let's
bathi-
not divide like that but we are here to collect ourselves and to do a unite
They Caucasian.
siyabafuna abalungu we want them but in good manner to work with us
Yes.
mawungena eshopeni yama-flower is the main colors abo roses lapha the country is beautiful awubheke la mazwe acosha abalungu that's why babalekela la because the economy is gone asithi abalungu aba-right but aba-wrong laba basinyathelayo yilaba basithatha ngathi thina namhla singofene yilaba bangena without papers because most that don't have papers but we don't strike against them
And they take over.
yeah that make us to fight ourselves siyekele bona kulwa nabo we must research ama-papers from the whites now is the war everywhere
Yes.
babalekela khona la asiyazi ukuthi amaphepha balungisela ngobani
Fanele siqale Cape
Yeah.
Town.
Manje baba labo lena yabo bokufika sizoya kuyo ngoba
okay
ejulile.
asiyeke lapha
Yebo.
ngicela from today niyazi ukuthi sibayi-one
Yebo cha kunjalo.
whether umsuthu umtswana yini we are one
Rainbow
ukuthi
Nation.
sizwane sizoyilwa lempi sizoyiceda sizoyiwina
Yebo.
let's stop fighting amongst ourselves
Yes.
Mana baba leli igodi elihlangakala mina ngalifuna eThekwini leli igodi ngifuna ukulifaka ngithi ngifuna ukufana nawe.
wena wafaka ishobo lengulube lapha it's not right
Nama-feathers, nama-feathers.
Eselibophile lapha ekhuluma kuyanilunga.
I went maybe in 7 different salons. Ngithi mina ngifuna the same godi.
Hayi
can
ngeke.
Get-
Uyabona leli ungathi siphethu leli lithi phuphu.
Uyile decoration
i-area i-area
I think you go more to salon more than your wives.
no wayazi imira wena isifoni waziyazi no angadelela umfana umira uke wasibheka emireni because indoda ufane ube muhle when you love yourself then you can love someone
Yes.
if you say to someone ukuthi angagezi wena ugezile na when you want to talk to
Ishanga
someone
neligezayo-ke leli,
ukhuluma
kayilona-
uyi-one
Yilo lodwa.
wena uthi ngiyanukwa angizwa ukuthi nginjani
Yeah.
Hawu angaze kusho lokho. Awungisho ngawo.
Keep it evident.
mangiphumela phandle intombi iziye ngifuna zonke
Cha awunuki impela kade kuhoxa. Awu right.
I
Cha
think
ngangishisa ukucaswa sengixolisile baba kusiyabani. Kodwa bakhona abanukayo abagezi laba abanye abantu.
Okay,
Kweziwa yini leli khophe likaka?
Yeah. No.
lasenajera lela kuthelela.
athi ngikutshela ungahleki umuntu ahluphekayo
Uyiwe mahala ngisho.
ungabizi umuntu ukuthi wanuka uNkulunkulu uzonika wena unuke forever you know don't say that ekutshela umuntu you are a poor then you are taking that poor from that person uzonuka no
imfuno imali yageleza
the poverty is highly the poverty is highly bangise Australia ne umlungu anuka amakhwapha abanikazi bemali but isisho ukuthi abantu bakayina abantu bakithi we cannot love them kuti abana mali akuna msebenzi akuna lutho go to the village baba bayahlupheka I born poor, that's why I know the poor people.
Yes.
Bangibiza ukuthi ngiyanuka ngisemncane. Today kunuka bona. No bangana mali yokuthenga and ekunuka kwenza ukuthi ube good living right.
Namhlanje kunuka bona. Namhlanje akanuki yena kunuka bona.
Yebo ngithi ungahleki umuntu uthi wanuka.
Yebo.
Ngoba kusasa wena uzonuka ikhwapha 100 kilometers. Bakuzowanuka from KZN to Giyani.
Baba baba wabusengidala phela lapho uthi ngizonuka from KZN to Giyani. Ngiyabonga baba ngiyabongela nami ibhaxa kodwa ke ishebo ngishaya ubaba. Okay. La baba sithole uyi-artist prominent. Kunomsila wakho engofunayo lo ufaka lapha nicula nano Mayogati hayi umnqatha lo.
Mayogati.
Awu, phela ngiyifunile leyo ngoma.
2001.
Umfana oyigaga ukubhubha. Uyena ubheka umuzwela kuphela umfana wayemesaba loya. Wayemesaba ngempela ngoba akazange ahamba ayonqetheza ayothi ngiyawuthanda ushoni wakho. Akazange ayenze leyo nto. Wavela wadlubuludela nje washaya ikati. Uthatha amandla waba insizwa. Yabona. Njengawe nje mfowethu. Wavela waba isigabelo
lo muntu
ngifuna ukungena
nila kubalabula rimi ra mina but ntatiwa hi vanhu va mina
uza babuthi ngempela lapha kumayogati nihlangane kanjani kodwa Tebogo uthethe Tebogo mtaka mahlayela naye abuze
la itekeni mani kwala
ke nagana gore ntho e bolelang ke papa Penny e botlhokwa kudu because wa bolela gore ntho ya gore re kgaogane e thomile kuwa go colonialism ya go apartheid ba re dira gore re separate gore re tloye rena ebe gore mo ke area ya maybe Batsonga mo ke Mapedi mo ke Mazulu mo ke Maxhosa and then ya dira gore re bone o ka re ba bang ba different however this thing it created the perceptions tse dintsi and le nna I should agree gore le mo ke tswa mo Limpopo so le ngacabanga ukuthi it's only maybe abantu ba outside Limpopo ba nama perceptions against each another tribe like for example where I grew up Machangani be re ba bitsa Makwapa and I had not Makwapa but Makwapa and u papa Penny uzo explain ukuthi ibuya kuphi leyo ebe kunama perceptions amaningi like ubona gore rena le ntwela gore Makwapa a ugly bamnyama bayanuka nabo yes sorry and then amapedi nabo badume ngokuthi ke bomma amadoda akhona bathi ke bomma usebenzela umama wakhe ekhaya nje uyayibona and then Mazulu libona gobe le di perceptions tsheo tja gore Bazulu banenkani Basotho I'm sorry to say this I'm not saying it's true but it's perceptions like gona le ntwe ya gore go ka hira mosadi wa Mosotho ka ga go zokuthathela indoda bayang banempatho uyayibona I think we need to be honest about this we need to be honest about this thing sisingazenzi innocent hence I'm trying to explain ukuthi nathi bengisaqoqela upapa Penny the other day ngimqoqela ngithi kune situation where my grandmother my great grandmother so my mom's cousin married Lekwapa eTsonga man but to grandmother wami waba ne stress wazi wagcina bathi every day avuke ebusuku athi Lekwapa it means ukuthi from grandmother wami laba abantu bengasabantu besibathu and we need to iron those things first or these are just perceptions it's not gore is true because even the other time I explained to gore le ge ba ka re Mazulu ana lenkane but now I've met very nice Zulu people and I've also met Pedi men who are not stingy as well as I've also met
stingy I know lies They're very stingy, Pedi. Yo.
But not all of them. We can't paint batuka the same brush. You understand? Or abata amantombazana amapedi ayadelela, amaxhosa, you know. I'm
Amaxhosa.
not gonna get there. So these are the things dividayo. Uyayibona leyo nto. So let's be honest ukuthi it's not a fact ukuthi i-tribalism ikhona. Ngisho nabo amatsonga badulang le bavenda khona le ntwela ro laba abanje. Ngisho la ngibuya khona le mapedi re different. Khona le bapedi ba Sekhukhune, khona le bapedi ba Moletlane like rena re ba bitsa yo bapedi. Rena re ba bitsa bapedi pedi because ba dume ngokuthi banenhlamba mabakhuluma. And kubona maybe it's normal. So i-tribalism ihlezi khona even within.
Fana amazulu.
Amazulu kuphela.
So bekukopela
Na amazulu activate
Uthukela ngale
ngale.
Thank you. Hayi, mhlambe ngapha. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, my sister, for raising that because right now in South Africa, everyone when is talking about tribalism, they're talking about Amazulu. And that is a blanket approach to a crisis.
Targets.
And akufanele siyibuke kanjalo because it comes from hate. Tina, they say people abathi sinenkani. It's because we stand our ground.
Yes.
Until further notice, we stand our ground. Sizokutshela ukuthi hayi ke mina kimi ke lokho akushiyo. When it's your job ukuthi uzungiconvince phela ukuthi ngibone. Not ukuthi ufuna ngithi ngiyindoda, ngithi uthi ufika nje sengithi yebo.
Yeah.
Thina asiyenzi leyo nto leyo. So sicela ukuthi iphele inzondo mina ngicela ukujabula macengwane mfowethu. Ngicela ukudlulisa okukhulu ukujabula. Ngoba maningi amagama wawakhuluma kuyangijabulisa ukuthi uguqe phambi kaBaba. Ungifonelile wathi angize lapha sizokhombisa ukweseka uBaba kuze kunokunye ukukhuluma ozokuqhubeka ke phambili. Kodwa kuyangijabulisa ukuthi aphi lamazulu angahloniphi. Aphi lamazulu angakwazi ukuxolisa. Aphi lamazulu angakwazi ukuguqa phambi kwendoda athi indoda cha ngibhedile.
Umdala
Ngibhedila yedlule. KwaZulu kunjalo. KwaZulu kuthiwa ngibhedila yedlule. Ayiphele akufi umuntu kuthiwa nje ayiphele. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa kuxabene abantu sekufa umuntu ngapha kwafa umuntu ngapha. Kodwa mase kukhishwa igama lokuthi ayiphele. Ayiphele. Sizothi ke lokhu ukuxabana phakathi kweinhlanga zizodwa amazulu ebandlululana odwa. Amashangane ebandlululana odwa, abeSuthu bebandlululana bodwa, amaXhosa ebandlululana odwa, amamponda, amapedi, amavenda obani bebandlululana. Sizosukumela lokho ke thina. Ukuthi thina ke sizoyi self-appointed ambassadors. Azosukuma athi umXhosa wakithi ukuthi nganya mangizwe igama elilodwa uthi barapeke mangizwe elilodwa igama ngithi right makabethi ngifamba moyeni ngithi hayi akahamba moyeni afambeni. We guys, I need to seriously give a very serious warning. Let us stop behaving like politicians. Let us stop criticizing abelungu. Let us stop criticizing apartheid. We are here.
The situation is now.
We are facing this situation now. Let's do away with ama marches and everything. And we're going to get to this thing, Yamashangane, Namamachi, Nabantu Bokfiga, and everything. Guys, we have horrible stories about Abantu who are coming, our African brothers, what they do to our women. Tina njengamazulu, our priority. The first line of defense, we defend Abantu besifazane. We defend women. That is our culture. The reason why you saw us...
But it's lost now, though. Like
when the first thing when we wake up in the morning, the first thing we do, we go check on women and children. Umsebenzi wethu njengamadoda kwaZulu ukusukuma sivikele in. We've accommodated our African brothers.
But this is very important that I show you because even on social media, generally, we need men to support and defend us Black women, us Zulu women, even in each culture, because in social media, it's a conflict cool as if that's Black people are just all about politics.
The social media was solely designed for that. And we need to be smart. Yeah. So ngifuna ukusho ukuthi thina masivuke ekseni into yokuqala umacingwana ayenzayo njobe nezingane engaka. Into yokuqala nje mayivuke ekseni ephiso umchamo before ayochama hamba uye endlini enkulu eyobukela kulele khona umama nezingane. Makungelona ilanga lakhe ngoba phela uhlale echoma kayedwa. Yeah. So ngalelo langa kodwa ngizama ukuthi baba papa pheni singavumi ukuthi sithathe they are good politicians. Good politicians. They are compromised by the mandate of their parties. They are very good politicians, men that are willing to die for this country. But they are compromised by the mandate of the party. You can't say this because you're going to put the party in disrespect.
And the constitution of the country.
And the constitution.
Yeah.
We can change the constitution.
We will change
We
the
will
constitution.
change the
Not we
constitution.
can. We will change
We are
the constitution.
self-appointing ourselves to unite this nation. We will change this constitution. And if this country is capable of giving one South African every year for the rest of their life, 1 million rand a year.
We afford it. It's just that they hide it from us.
lelizwe macingwane lingakwazi ukunikeza umuntu ngamunye wakulelizwe u1 million njalo ngonyaka impilo yakhe yonke.
And I believe that.
So we are going to fight for that. Ngicela ukuthi sime bakithi ukuzondana. If I'm tall, I'm tall. If you are short, you are
You're
short.
short.
Amen.
Let's not be sensitive about stupid stuff. Let us be people. Let us unite. Let's stop whatever happened yesterday. Let's do away with that.
End it.
We are done.
And uselapho mfowethu abantaba ngiyathokoza kakhulu mfowethu makhulu amagama mtaka baba nawo mfowethu
Na ukhuluma ngathi u rape manje.
umsebenzi
I-rapping then. You are an artist, you are singing out.
ngithokoza kakhulu mfowethu nawo umsebenzi wakho asuwubukele phansi umsebenzi owenzayo kwanongoma mfowethu isizwe zonke ulazi lwathi unyazi lwezulu lukubongela mfowethu longibuza ngawe njengoba lo makhelwane wathi ushembe kimi lento yenzo ndaba lapha kwanongoma inkulu kakhulu ngicela ufike ungitshenele yena ukuthi ngithe inkosi imbusise
Amen.
ngabe ke wayisithi njobe egijima yedwa nje wathi lento oyenza amafemini lalento yenzo ndaba inkulu kakhulu ngicela ningayiyeki kodwa ngiyakuphathisa makhelwane wami ufike ungitshenele mfoko ndaba ukuthi ngithe inkosi imbusisa ngoba umshanelo wabonakala umncane kodwa ukhipha izibe enkulu eziningi endlini uwodwa
Kuzo amen bakwethu. Amen. Oyingcwele. Amen.
and uzokhumbula ukuthi umlando kaShembe phela uShembe uyena owavikela ubuZulu bethu sebemukile kodwa ke umlando wangalinye ilanga bese ngithi baba Peni nguzwile ukhuluma wathinta igaba eziningi ehlukahlukene lokho kuba into eyodwa uqinisile baba lokho asinanasi thina sazi umlando ukuthi kwaZulu kunane sakhe sithi isisu somahambi asikakanani singangenso yenyoni umuzo ongangenwa umuntu kuthiwa kwamthakathi lapho uma kodlula umuntu wahlwelwa wacela indlu yokulala nibonge nimkhiphele ngisho ingubo lezi enenithi noyibekela ukuthi ngelilanga sosekhiphe zona nihlabe ngisho iqhuthe enilibekela imbewu egcekeni ngendlela thina esine culture yokwelcome ngayo umuntu ohamba and then bese kuphinde futhi angiphathi ke makuthiwa wakwelinye izwe kuthiwe lo muntu akuyena ngisho wala yingakho bebizwa ngama tourist bengabe kuthiwa bizwa ngevakashi hayi abantu abayizigebengu abazolutha izwe lethu ngoba belibona ukuthi basebenzisele leyo nto yokuthi sizimpatha thina sazi lutho si welcoming sihleke sokwamukela njengoba singamaZulu sibaningi kangaka sinenhliziyo ezinhle sithatha njengesibusiso sokuthi umuntu mayela ikhawu lethwe ngabaphansi ulethwe uNkulunkulu isihambi konke lokho but they took advantage of that now they are flooding with their own kids they leave their lands they want to come here belanda nodadewethu bebozalisa izingane bese bethola amalungelo okuhlala la bengabe saphindela makubo bathwebula home affairs bawufaka endlini amanyalo okugcina nawo baba njengamanje masithi abahambe asisho ukuthi thina ngoba ukuthi sonakele masithi abahambe ngempela baba namanje sicela ukuthi siye ngishela impopo ngoba ngemanje otherwise it's between the two things it's either bayahamba noma there will be a civil war civil war and the lonto leyo because people are tired labo abantu badlwengulo izingane babadubula babulala DJ Waras, babulala Lucky Dube, babulala abaculi prominent in this country, and how many cases that are not on television and criminality that have been caused about these illegal foreigners that are undocumented. Look at ingane kaMgabe, lengane dakwa utshwala dakwa ama-drugs, yadukula umsebenzi, emva kwalokho thola ukuthi the son of the president of the foreign country is here illegally. What are you saying about that in parliament?
And he has a house in the house.
Okay.
Powerful lap.
You say we are not in politics. We are in country. Our country, our beloved country.
Yes.
What I want to say here, into Nikulmayo, ngiyayibonga. Kodwa silandeleni step by step ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Siyabonga baba.
Ukuthi abantu bazi ukuyizwa. What we are talking this. Asibe na number 1, number 2, number 3 until sifike lapha siconclude ukuthi abantu bazwisise ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Yes.
Abantu besigebengu baqasha hit ngoba bayazi ukuthi abana ama-ID. We are the one who hiring them to kill our people. Hit isibaqashayo ukuthi babulale. Once they kills you, ngena kubo manje. Doesn't have a fingerprint. Lento yabosisi bethu ukuthi bathanda abasebenze phandle because laba bafuna ukuba nama-citizen ngemtshado. Laba kithi bahluphekile kunamsebenzi akunalutho. Bathi bazama ukuphilela ukuthi bathanda isigebengu abayazi. But what we have to do, mina ngikhuluma nge-Unite wafethu. Ngiyabona iLimpopo is worse. It's the biggest tribalism. Not only Nina, it's the biggest tribalism. It's just because we don't march and fight amongst ourselves. We are trying to negotiate. We are trying to highlight our people in Limpopo. Abafenda, abapedi, abatonga.
Ngicela nikhuzane lapha. Ningashuthi izinto bese niyiphosta ningayenzi leyo nto. Please. Ningaposti lutho nje.
Nikombela ukubalabula.
Yes, please.
It's not only Zulu people.
Yes.
Nina nitume ngoba nirasa kakhulu. But Tina, we are trying to fight.
Igama lokurasa lenaye.
Iwena umkhulu omkhulu ngashaya stadium sigcwale kakhulu. Tina iLimpopo is the biggest tribalism. iLimpopo. We are fighting day and night. Kodwa masingafuna ukuyunitana, funa ukuthi this language of 11 siyenza imicimbi every month or every 2 months, 3 months. Sidibane in center.
Yeah.
Kujabulwe. Is how we're gonna unite.
Yes.
Ngoba entertainment they unite abantu. Njengebhola mabathi kusidlala i-squad.
Chiefs and yeah.
Wonke ama team, they are not Chiefs, they are not Pirates. I-squad, this is South African. Nalento masifuna kuyenza. Si challenge ukuthi who's the best in dancing? Who's this by the culture? Because South African is a very rich youth culture.
Yes, very
See,
rich.
color from entertainment.
Yes.
I'm a politician, I'm an artist, I'm everything.
Yes.
But I'm not here for politics. I'm here to unite our people.
Yeah.
Angijabuli mangizwa ukuthi KZN kushawa ishangana. Ushaya mina. And Tina iKiani eMpumalanga everywhere bakhona amaZulu bakithi. Bachatilwe le abanye basebenza le. Kodwa anizange nizwe nalanga le1 ukuthi mashangana ashaya amaZulu ashaya amaXhosa. Because Tina amaTsonga amashangana we are so disciplined and lithando sinalo. We respect. It's not because we don't have power to fight, but we respect. We do the research. Kuti kwenzeka njani makunje. But mina ngifuna ukulungisa iLimpopo. Tribalism iyangigulisa. Namangise ku-ANC bangilwa nabo nge-tribalism. Namanje ngisalwa i-tribalism.
Yes.
Because
But it's hidden, yo.
abalungu bafike basihlukanisa abafana. Do you know kube ne-force removal? Umuntu omnyama wangene umuva kwesitulo sebhunu semlungu athi nakuhlala ishangane. Nakuhlala ishangane basiyenza basimove basidivide between the Venda and the Batsonga people. Basilahlela back to Kruger National Park. Yayenziwa ngobani? Bantu bemnyama, tribalism. What is happening? Rwanda, Burundi,
Eish.
Congo is a Tuts and Huts. Bayabulalana kunabalungu le. Abantu bemnyama bodwa but bayabulalana. Manje thina, let's show them example ukuthi siyacabanga.
Yes.
This country is ours. Singeke siqoshe abantu if singazwani. But once we can be united sabantu one, then we can win the war. Ngoba this is not exile. We need people to come and do the economy, not coming to fill up the street.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to be frank and very clear
Yeah.
about the operation yokucela abantu bokufika ukuthi abahambe. Bafowethu, let us not sugarcoat it.
Sugarcoated, yeah.
Yini into eyagcwalisa baba wami?
Ngicela ungilinde baba wami kancane nje ngiyaxolisa.
Balabula.
Because ngifuna ukuthi sithi masithi sikhanda iunity, sikhanda ubumbano, silukhande ngesisekelo, ngefoundation that is very strong. I challenge this podcast. Ubaba uPapa Ben Ndabezitha. Umthathe uze naye eThekwini. We won't do anything. We will just stand and watch. And see 14-year-old children, girls, taken by a man that is bigger than me into a hotel. 14-year-old, a child that can't think for themselves.
Are those men
Pedophiles.
foreigners only?
Foreigners only.
Foreigners only.
Foreigners
Pedophiles
only.
all over.
Tina, if we want to marry you, we go to Gwashembe, we pick you up there unemiaka 26 with your diploma and everything. And I'm 55 years old and you are 22 years old. The whole nation will be fighting that. But the foreigners are raping 14-year-old children. The foreigners are selling.
Human trafficking, sex
They are
trafficking.
selling kids. Now they have a new scandal in Durban where when you go to labor, when you are pregnant,
They take your
when you
child?
come back, when you come back from unconscious, they will tell you your child passed away when they have taken that child. I'm telling you now, I don't want us to talk and sikhulume ngathi siyacabanga, engathi we are thumb sucking. We are talking about actual things that are happening at eThekwini. This is the reason why, as KZN, we are saying the Home Affairs have failed us. And these are our brothers, these are our African brothers. They have failed us. The government have failed us. Abaholi bethu badayise ngathi badayisa ngezwe. Sithi thina, my African brothers, can you please go out of the country? We want to fix the system. Then when we have united ourselves out of politics, and we will be saying, no, Home Affairs, Home Affairs,
Yes.
we trust him.
Thank you.
Ukuthi ngeke kungene muntu eboard. So okay, you guys, you are African brothers. If you are coming with a scarce skin, woza. Uma uza nento esingeke sikwazi ukuzenzela, woza. Uyabona? We can't be crying about ukuhlupheka nokuthi aba African brothers nokuthi abelungu basihlukanisa. No, there's a crime involved. That's what we are trying to fix.
Can I just
They are
also
very
add-
baningi kakhulu abantu bakithi abaqhamuka ngaphandle abenza kahle lapha eSouth Africa.
And just to add on that, nento ukuthi the African brothers have become entitled to stay here so much because government is a protector, especially when it comes to drugs.
Yes.
Because apparently the government is also involved in drugs.
They are
That's
very
why
cool.
they're not stopping them.
Yeah.
And that's money for them.
Yeah.
So it's so big. This thing is such a
Namaphoyisa
big
nawo wonke umuntu,
channel.
big people are here. So abelungu bakhona abelungu abangena ngokungemthetho kulelizwe. But bahlala 4 ways. Bahlala eMhlanga, bahlala koBhalito. Lapha mina, an average person, angihlali lapha mina.
Can't afford
I don't see that. So if uPapa Penny and all the big people can see ukuthi there are white people who are coming into this country, bengenawo amaphepha, then do as we do. Fight them. Because Tina, we are fighting what we can see there. We are not hating our black brothers. We are not killing anyone. We've never, since we started this operation, akekho umuntu esimbulalayo. But guys, ingane zidla ama-chips zife eKZN. Ingane zidla stick sweet zife eKZN. Utshwala lobu amantombazana, sithola amantombazana efile because utshwala lama istrophers nazo zonke lobu utshwala they are cooking it in their back room where balala khona, babhosha khona, bangumuntu ebhosha khona, bayenza yonke inhlobo yemsangano khona laphayana. Niyabona? So umuntu uyapheka la, upheka ukudla ozokudla ushwama la, uxova ngeinyawo, maqedwe uzowudayisela wena. Those izinja. So we are not killing anyone. We are not taking anybody's money. We are not taking anyone's stuff. We're just asking them.
Babanjwe ku WhatsApp group wabo. Bekhuluma bebodwa bethi ngoba njengoba sisukuma kanjena nje uthathe uMangobese nawe mfethu nami sikumele kanje. Bathe manje lamakhokha abawakhandayo sebezowafaka ushevu ukuthi ngempela nje yabona nje noma ngabe uphi anywhere indaba nje yesiphaza shop edayisa umuntu okufika ungasathenga lutho lapho lokho kwamaships kuncane uzokubazovela behlisa iprice kube sengathi iyona engcono bese nithenga khona ijoviwe lonto manje ukuthi sife sonke nje ngoba inhloso yabo ukuthatha over lelizo yabona nje njengoba kade ubaba uMkhonazi enikezwa task yokulwa ne-organized crime in South Africa useshilo wathi into yokuqala nje ama drug cartels uzowaqeda nya leyo nto leyo ngicela sishayele ihlombe kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi iningizimu Afrika slowly iyakwazi ukubona uma wrong uMkhonazi ngendlela eyenza ngayo ngomhla ka6 March 2025 leyo nto leyo kwafanele xoshwe noma abulawe kodwa ngoba wakhuluma iqiniso abahlulekalayo ukukhuluma laba constitutional aligned nabathembe ngoba inena iningi labo bayadla kuyidakamiso njengamanje babopopeni sicela usichallenge sicela ukufika eLimpopo sizolekelela wena mfowethu sithini idolopha into futhi mina lento yetribalism oyithintile notabe oyithintile is very important ukuthi make kwafika thina siwuZulu sithi hlangana mhlathowaza nayo uyobona sihambe edaladini zaseLimpopo sihambe edaladini sisi ema village siyona amashongololo lawo
You lead it.
Okay, ngiyanizwa madoda lapha. Abantu bayenza
ayikishisa nyama Limpopo
mamela mfana wami.
Ama-worms, the worms.
Mamela.
Shisa wona ama-worms.
Ningiseni lana. Abantu bayenza mistake. Is a democracy from 94. Bavulela amabhoda wonke singakalungisi.
baganwa khona
Mandela. Fana siyomvusa wachaza.
Abantu fane silwe nabo. I-Home Affairs, immigration. Yibo imsebenzi wabo. If they cannot do that job, we do the job. But ukuthi
let's do the job.
mamelani ukuthi sisuke nje silanda abantu. Sometimes it's gonna put us in the hot water. Asilweni ne-Home Affairs first.
Ngeke baba
Ngoba yibo bakhona.
Now it's people who come. No, man.
Ankhuluma isiphalamende.
No.
ukunqoba manje uqoshwe parliament ngeke baba
Ankhuluma isiphalamende.
la sikhona baba kukonakele
Thina njengamaZulu
bahlulekile wonke ugovernment uhlulekile kuphi umnqondo
Okay, wait guys. Imani Khuluma ngathi yakhula. We're debating lapho. We're debating. Siyabonisana.
Parliament baba
It's not a parliament. I'm a politic from music.
Parliament baba ngempela baba utayisa ngazwe ngenxa yamaflats amahala
Yingisa miyela. Okay. Awuthi umama khulu.
Ninenkani ngempela maZulu manje liyasibhulisha. Bekukhophela gore re beng careful because ge re dutse mo re di public figure.
uphelo wamsana yini
Asikhulumeni iqiniso. This is not a committee. We are not doing committee.
Yes,
it's a serious thing.
It's a serious matter.
Mina ngithi asilweni nelento yama foreigner. In the right way of taking the wrong people, not the right people.
Can I say
right
this?
people abantu banamapep. Because the whole entire South Africa, my villages, all rural place, is undocumented. Yithi sibanika imizi yethu.
Yes.
Yithi sibanika ama-spaza shop wethu. Tomorrow they are calling us we are lazy.
Yeah, no, because we are generous people. Now that we have given them our space, we have allowed them in our houses. Now they've created problems
Can
for us.
I ask
That's
one
why
question?
we are standing
Can
up, guys.
I ask
We
you one
allow these
question?
people to
Ke
come in.
kgopela ho bolela-
Mama.
Okay.
Not ladies first. Let them talk now.
Khuluma le nto eno.
Moyo banabona.
Silalele
Moyo banabona.
sisizwe.
Moyo banabona. Moyo banabona na. I want to ask you one question. Are you a citizen?
I'm a citizen.
Are you a citizen?
Yes, all
Raise
of
your
us
hands.
are.
Yini lokho citizen?
Nizakhamizi e-South Africa.
Thina
Good. Angithi
Thina
nje.
sizakhamizi thina indaba yama-citizen yiyo-ke lena edala iy'nkinga ngoba
No.
nomuntu osuka le eTaiwan uyi-citizen manje.
Ngifuna ukunitshela impilo ekhona ne.
Yes.
Nekuthi thina ama-South African, all the rural areas, we are not owning our land. We are PTO, permission of occupy. We don't have a title deed. When if 40 meters now you must own it until down lapho imhlaba ophelela ukhona. Umuntu uthi grab the land, but abasitshela ukuthi thina
Kanjani?
si-own lapha sihlala khona sibe ne-title deed. Mabathola ukuthi umuzi wakho une-gold. Bayakususa ngoba you don't own that land. Siyayifuna lento ukuthi not foreigners to come and have a title deed to our country without us owning the title deed. Hiyo nto esibulala basitelela ngalento.
Tina, we are staying in townships. We are staying in rural areas. We
Don't have title
We
deeds.
are affected by the foreigners bringing drugs and teaching our kids ukuthi zeke drugs. Sinemhambi maKwaZulu into esasingenayo thina KwaZulu umuntu wayelaliswa noma engazi ukuthi ungowaphi. Namhlanje wesabuza usabe ngisho umfana kwamakelwane makahamba inyanga ezimbili. Sithi ke sibavumelile laba bantu. Saba nenhliziyo ezinje sabalethe ezweni lethu for 31 years. Now sebenza inkinga ke sesithi wemadoda akenithi ukuqhela kancane ngoba sesibonile ukuthi umuntu osidalela inkinga uhulumeni akenithi ukuphuma kancane ke sishanele igceke sishisa impepho sikhulume nabadala kuyothi mase siqedileke bese nibuya ngendlela kahle yini enzima lapho papa the flying penny.
No.
Unfortunately, bengicela ukukhuluma, bengicela-
But into efani siyenzayo ne in the next broadcast after this we call all these 11 language sizwane ukuthi manje siyenza. No, one place.
Uyayibalekela le
No,
nkinga.
ngibalekeli. I
Uyayibalekela
don't
le
like
nkinga.
it. Angifuni into le
asithi abahambe for
No,
forever abantu
Okay,
bakithi
ngiyabakela,
abaphume.
Angini-reject, angini-reject.
ngiyacela ukuphawula.
Okay.
Bekere go botlhokwa kudu gore re tsebe gore di public figures.
Yes.
And we should be very careful of the words that we utter. For example, ge ne le go much too much leti abahambe amashangani. Who are shangans? Because we have shangans that are in South Africa.
That has
And
been
we are-
corrected just now.
Yes, and we are
ready to go to Limpopo
Limpopo.
and show ukuthi we said that just
Ngicela
it came
ukuqhubeka.
Sizawuqhubeka silicule.
Ungeke.
Ngicela ukuqhubeka, ngicela ukuqhubeka.
Usaqhula.
Hayi,
No.
ayinkinga, ngicela ukuqhubeka.
akaqhubeka
No,
mama.
lena inkinga.
Ndaba
Suka
ezitha
indlela elishangane liyenzeni.
ndaba ezitha ngicela ukuqhubeka.
Suka indlela elishangane
Ndaba
liyenzeni.
ezitha ngicela ukuqhubeka.
Hayi suka endleleni
Ngicela-
Nigeria.
Ke kgopela re le
Okay,
ke kgopela re le
bua,
understand
bua,
gore
mama, bua.
as public figures we
Yeah.
have a responsibility and we should be very careful of the words that we utter,
Yes.
right? Like angisazoyichubeka ngikhulume ngale yamashangani because lithi sort out, but then sivala kanjani? Are we saying to shangani people ukuthi please stop being sensitive? We are not referring to you sisho amashangani wangaphandle or kanjani.
We are
Okay,
not.
asiyekeni
We are-
kanjalo.
yeah, we are not.
Ngicela
Let's-
ukuthi again,
yeah.
Not some-
Ngicela- bengicela ukuthi
finish.
again before I lose my train of thought, ke kgopela gore again re berekisheng words such as some because they are uneducated people. Umuntu osemakhaya uzwa bathi akubulawa ishangani amakwerekwere wonke are wrong uvela abalimaze, and we don't want that in the country, right? So ngicela ukuthi sibe very very careful masikhuluma as public figures. So masithi ama foreigners, we must also mention ukuthi there are foreigners who are here legally, and I like the fact that you touched on it ukuthi there are those that are here legally. There are foreigners that are our lecturers, there are foreigners that are our doctors. The last time I was sick, I was assisted by a foreign doctor. Are you saying mele angiyeke esibhedlela athi because asiyeni futhi sibe realistic as well. Asibe realistic as well. You also touched on the fact that bathatha abosisi benu, right? I'm not going to touch on that kakhulu because ngumuntu wesifazane trend kodwa how many South African men have killed women? So let's not say it in a way ungathi yonke into wrong in the country yenzwa ama foreigners. There's South African men asingayikhulumi kanjalo yabona. There are a lot of South African men abahethe our South African
and they are in jail.
Right?
They are in jail because they have IDs, they have fingerprints, and these foreigners when they kill our women, we can't find them.
Yes, so I point here to point yarena no gore undocumented illegal foreigners ke bona sonotse ba tsamaye, because you can be a foreigner and still have legal citizenship in the country, not forgetting ukuthi rena le bosesi ba rena le bobuta rena ba le gore ba dula in other countries. Like the other time I was traveling to Zimbabwe, I was very nervous because it was that during the time of xenophobia. Imagine if bangangiheda because of the thing that is happening in the country. So ngiyaqela abo baba ngenkulu inhlonipho ukuthi masikhuluma as ama public figures asikhulume kahle ingadukisi izwe, because we don't want a situation where you kill a foreigner, the next thing if foreign ihlangana nengane yakho iyayibulala nayo, because we're going to retaliate at the end of the day.
Mina I understand you siswami kahle nje futhi you are very correct. Dadewethu asingazami counter attacker into eyenziwe uHome Affairs kulelizwe.
Yes.
Asingazami
and Home Affairs are South African.
Yes.
Let's hold them accountable as well.
This what we are doing, we are holding them accountable because our foreigners are paying these people. And we are stopping that. So we don't want to be diplomatic bafowethu asifuni ukubaphatha nendawo ngalento. Abantu bokufika abahambe silungise izwe. Mana sis almost wonke umuntu okufika ola eSouth Africa njengamanje kusukela ngo2008 kuza manje onikezwe uHome Affairs amaphepha illegal noma namaphepha illegal because bebethatha imshini behambe lento beyoyenzela endlini. Wena ungathola ukuthi ushadile siswami, ungathola ukuthi ushade nomuntu ongamazi. So sithi ke thina uHome Affairs right now 80 officials are arrested, 25 senior officials are in jail for manipulating the system. So whoever has been given papers, kunomuntu wase uyazi ukuthi umuntu wangaphandle can't have a South African ID, but they do have. Because kuthathwa wena ungazi, kuthathwe umuntu oshonile ashadiswe nomuntu eshonile njalo, ashadiswe nomuntu banikezwe certificate, badayisa amapasi namhlanje abantu base Home Affairs 25,000 rand. So noma ngabe unawo amaphepha illegal ngoba i-system i-process ayenzekanga kahle. Sithi thina singama South Africans bafowethu, ningabafowethu base Mozambique, ningabafowethu base Nigeria, ningabafowethu base Zimbabwe. By the way, there are no wars in their countries, so they can't be flooding the country like this. If we are saying
and Lesotho and Botswana, because we are Jamba.
No, ngilinde ba. No. We are discussing. We open this discussion because we want to have a closure. So ke sithi ke bafowethu isystem idlale ngani, laba bantu bebentshontsha imali zenu, bebenikhokhisa imali okungafanele niyikhokhe. Sicela nisihloniphe, sicela niphume ezweni, sifuna ukulungisa imingcele yethu, sifuna ukulungisa abaholi bethu, ebese manibuya sesino minister baka Home Affairs no nama officers aka Home Affairs nama border control aka Home Affairs. Sesazi ase border control, sesazi ukuthi laba abantu abalapha bathembeke njengomkhwanazi. Singazi ukuthi mangibhekele umkhwanazi esemva kwami ngiyaza yikho into ezokwenzeka kimi. So ke seningabuya ke bafowethu oza neskill esingekho South Africa ageze.
Can I just add with Uber drivers as well? Ngathi singa
Uber drivers
akukho safe manje
Pick and Pay ucheckers hyper uqasha nje abantu bokufika bodwa. Into nje ukushayela isithuthuthi into ewanawo. Uyabona njengoba ngikubona nje wanebhayisikili mfowethu. So ke sengisho ukuthi ke bafowethu cha ngiyacela mina ukuthi abantu base South Africa sicela ningabi diplomatic because enye izinto ezosenza sixabane sodwa sibe sibhekene nenkinga efanayo. Go to Durban and see ukuthi izingane zabantu ngizoza lapha. Go to Durban and see ukuthi izingane zabantu potential leaders, well educated from universities, bayimhambima, bangamaphara because of ama-drugs. Wesisi, asinamona thina nokuthi uqoma umuntu waseNigeria. Asinawo uqobo umona, uyezwa sisi? Asinawo uqobo umona.
Hhayi, angisho
Qoma, bese uhamba phela uyoba umalokazana. Hamba uyoba umalokazana. Hayi ukuthi wena uzoqoma, ulanda indoda uzoyifaka la egcekeni.
Kuloko konke mfethu manje bafethu ngoba sifuna sivale. Into ebalekile la ukuthi enye into lento enibeka ubanganza kwethu. Ibhlungu lento ngoba eAfrica nje. Even the rest of the world yenzeke eSouth Africa kuphela lento. Yabona lo muso ongaka leli ibhodwe lingaka elisha amaqoqo lishe inambuzane lishe inyama ndawonye kwenzeke eSouth Africa kuphela. I think le culture eyenziwa Mandela yokuthi abe ulavidavi of the world sadayiseka
No, nanokuthi
the Nobel Peace Prize where we had no peace that was given to Mandela it should be
revoked. Thank you.
not ngoba mangabuza ukuthi kwi-Truth Commission eyenzeka lapho uTutu bekhala inyembe zengwenya kwaboshwa bani inja lena eyafa lapho ekhwela abafana eplazini layo imisihlekelo bandlululo lokuthola kunjana uThele Branch wangena emhlanganweni wekhokasi lapho eshayela kunjanini akaboshwanga lo muntu wazi wafa ibulawa abafana ngoba engabakhokhelanga kade bebembhebhisa. So into eyenzakalayo yonke le nto leyo ingamanyala ikhombisa ngosobala ukuthi lelizwe lethu liyizwe loku-understanda and they are the country within the country and leyo nto leyo uMandela wasidayisa wazothatha umfazi womunye umongameli wangaphandle lo waphahla wahlahla umuntu okuyena okwakufanele abe oqala ngqawini Mandela okuyena washo freedom ngoma-80s wasemjaja ngamaphutha akhe
balwela i-freedom bangalwela i-equality.
What I'm still asking you guys, do you do research?
we do
Because some research ngoba lapha sizokhuluma 10 hours. Yonke into yavela is because of le color both. Because they are using our people to fight against ourselves.
Divide and conquer.
Yes. Lento itu isicede lento. Number 2, iLimpopo I owning aMashangana Matsonga. We are 5 languages.
Siyaphakathi.
That's why I need to ngazi iLimpopo. I'm not here to stand up for Limpopo because that province is not only Shangana who's owning that.
Yes.
We can go to the Shangan.
So we can go today.
We can go to the Shangan province, noma Shangan.
Lento lena, our language, it must defend by our kings and chiefs. You understand? Ukuthi le language yize nama-chief wethu, ama-kings wethu. Inkosi zethu yize zidefende these languages, this corruption le yenzekayo lapha. Ikufa lokhu. Abondaba ezindaba hlele manje siyakhuluma thina la. You understand? Inkosi zethu zihlele, zithulile, bazicashile, zisebenza ku-government, ku-municipality. Basinikeza imali, basinikeza imoto, yonke into.
Freemason.
This war ebondaba ezitha. Ebondaba ezitha mabanga stand up but sithi no. Yonke izothi no. But that's why namhla niya stand because bahlele. I'm not blaming you. Angin blame.
Uzakahleke manje.
Angin blame.
Bazothinta amakhosi.
No, amakhosi wethu sifuna babe inkosi yezinkosi. Any country.
Abantu bawo laba abahluphekayo.
Yes, we are under them.
Siyacela ngempela emakhosi.
Thank you.
We are under them. No, everywhere in South Africa, we are under them.
Ugovernment usesteering yini amakhosi
Babakashile manje, babakashile. They won't talk anything because babaholela bathengisa ilizwi.
Freemason.
njengoba nawe ungabaza ukuthi lokho ngene eParliament awuseyona Papa Penis mas.
No, mina angijoyinanga ipolitiki ngesalary. Mina ngijoyina ipolitiki to fight for my people. Ma ungazigiyazo ubona ukuthi is the last poorest democracy.
And we want to go there. Can you invite us? When is the date?
Ngithi
Want to come?
elipompo it's not mine.
No, it's not yours, Baba.
Zikhona
But
but
we are.
zikhona indlela zakuthi
Yeah.
singaziyenza
You see,
in peaceful.
We were not invited by Amakos.
Yes.
We went there
Nginitshela ukuthi
to show our supporters
Nginitshela
AmaZulu
ukuthi-
and to
nginitshela
demolish
ukuthi
all this
nginitshela
demolish
ukuthi
these
Mona
barriers.
Mzela,
Zokuthi umXhosa
Mona
nobani.
balabulantisi
Yeah.
yonke into sifane sihlale phansi si-collect not kube you are fight as a Zulu people. Everyone must fight ingqondo wenu uright.
Yes.
Manitshela imbewu ayingene yonke iSouth Africa. But once nina ningale but you are a violence.
Yeah.
You understand? But sifuna ukuthi lento
No,
siyithathe
kodwa
sonke.
abantu abangamagwala vele
No.
funa beyeke behlale phansi ngoba
No.
bayanyanyisa
Kuna-
bahlaziya kakhulu
kunabantu-
behlaziye nezinto ongamele beyihlaziye
Kunabantu-
kunezinto funa uhulumeni abantu bakahulumeni bayaganga
Amadoda-
funeke thina singamadoda sisukume sibenze behlale bethukile ukuze bezobona ukuthi kuyiwa amavotini manje
Yes.
akekho umuntu ozovotela umuntu ovuma
Asivoti
ukuthi
futhi,
akuphele
asivoti.
amali no kuzovotwa kodwa
Yes,
kufanele
tell us.
kuvunyelwane ukuthi nangu
Funa
umchulu
i-death
uzokwenza ukuthi nangu yana usisi uzokwenza ukuthi nangu uJacinta uzokwenza ukuthi kungaveli kuvele kudunyelwe nje umuntu ngoba elethwe yiqembu siphukuphuku kuthiwa sibe yikhansela kulethwe isidondwane kuthiwa sivotelwe ngabantu ngoba sigqoka iskipa senkathi kuthiwa imandate ithi kufanele iphele indaba yemandate because there are brilliant people out there
Yeah.
abahleli abangenzi lutho who have the potential to help this country but bavinjwe ukuthi they don't want politics but if you are not in politics you can't be in power.
Do you
We
know-
need to change that.
Nkushambutluku more than
Masiba gore-
anything.
Okay.
Nna e nkushambutluku more than anything ke go bona motho o moso black on black. Right? I will be very happy one day ke bona le tsena ko China Mall.
Ayuphapheme namhlanje tabaho bakhona umuntu ongakini.
Nguthi kabalabona.
Alitsayo
Nguthi kabalabona, nguthi kabalabona.
Uluko kudlula wena.
Nguthi kabalabona. Nguthi kabalabola, balabola sesi.
No e nkwesha botlhoko go bona motho o montsho le motho o montsho ba ilwa. And ke I support a movement ya lena ya march to march.
To Limpopo.
Not to Limpopo le ba yenzayo
Oh,
le
okay.
sisazo yana seLimpopo which I support. However, into engizwisa ubhlungu kakhulu ukubona umuntu omnyama ahlukumeza umunye umuntu omnyama because at the end of the day this problem started by abelungu back there, right? By create amaborder basi segregate bathi wena mzulu hlala lana wena mxhosa hlala lana. Yes, and I'm not saying illegal foreigners should be welcome in our country. I don't want you to get me wrong. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying I will be very happy one day ngibona march to march ingene China Mall la kugcwele ama China. Ngizozwana nami
No, we
lingene
are-
China Mall
But what should be kuchususo buhluku ukuthi these black guys uyabona these black brothers abantu bakithi abansundu ibona abafaka ama drugs
Lesiskipa sekuyiso nje uwazi asiphosa umthandeni lapha njenge-under. Asike sinye.
Mara the drugs leti
Before
tishaba ebalungu.
Guys, if you know that, do what we do. Go and fight that because
The
you
problem-
can't be saying, "Ay, nina nilwa nabantu abamnyama, kodwa khona umlungu odayisa ama drugs." And you uyambona wena umlungu. Asinabo abazongithina
The
kwanto.
problem of
Ngangithi uyabona that's the
manje batholile ngizitshela kodwa one day
the
abangene
problem
China
of
Mall.
us, ne? We run things unprofessional. Abalungu bahlala kuma suburbs, they are run professional, but they are
Yes.
using our people.
Yes.
Lama drugs bathumela kuphi? Abalungwini. Abalungwini baqashani abantu emnyama. Cheka manje they have arrested about 6 lapha airport last week.
Five girls lapha baseCape
Baphuma kuphi? Brazil.
Brazil.
ngakwaZulu kwekuthiwa impisha
Yeah.
izethekeli mangabe wena umuntu omnyama and you disrespect yourself you want to be a mole for a white person then it's not our problem.
Yes.
That is not our problem.
must
We
be
can't be
like-
we can't be
They must
wanting
be
to
like
fix
in
the country
Babandlela,
and worry about
Yeah.
umuntu
China.
olibele okhohle ukuthi wazalwa naye uyabo.
Banu laba bayendliwa yini? I-government of politics. When you join a politics most of the time, you are not joined to help the community. You are joined for salary and to make money of tenders.
for yourself.
This is what is happening from
selfish.
1994. Sathi
Since
imali
Mandela.
ifikile, imali izolifika.
Uyabona nje abantu abadala mabezokhuluma njengopapa Pen kusho ukuthi
Ithe-
sine problem eserious
Ithe
because
mayifi-
obaba upapa Pen abantu kufanele mabevula umlomo bekhulume ngesixazululo kuphela
No,
not the problem.
isicathulo nasi.
Yep.
Asihlanganeni sonke.
Siyabonga.
sonke
No, asikwenze thina we are ready.
asihlanganeni
We are
sonke
ready.
Ngicela kusasa ele
We are
manje
ready.
isikole.
No,
Manje.
because we want to talk about these things and we want to show.
what you have to do
Action,
now
action,
what you have to
action.
do
Ngoba abantu abephuza ukufa mfoka baba.
mamelani bafethu yingisani lapha
Ukutshela mina.
into esifanele siyenze sikhazulwe lapha sifanele sibize abantu istadium we address them no yeah we can dance but when we are preparing people it's not surprising them
Yeah.
we call the community we talk to them umuntu ahlale nomuntu ophume phandle khiphe msuse you understand muhambise ngoba yithi sikhiphela abantu izindlini zethu basuseni
We've
bafamba
passed the stage of complaining about these problems. We've passed the stage of Sakumkhanya.
We at the last stage,
politicians. Siloku situ. Mandela, foreigners must know that Mandela never owned all of us.
Exactly.
He
No.
owned his family.
He sold us out.
Whatever he said to the foreigners,
sold us
he
out.
was talking on behalf of his family, not us.
not
Thina nje sihlangana no Mandela.
you.
uMandela kayikho into akasenzela yona ngaphandle
Clock that.
kokudansa nezingane zabelungu. By the way, guys, nibokwazi ukuthi thina abelungu sibathanda. Nezwa yini? Sicela ukunitshela thina singamaZulu. Abelungu thina sibathanda, but siyakwazi ukusebenza nabo njengoba senzile. We've tested the system.
We tolerate
Sabavumela abantu bakithi, abantsundu abasuka kwamanye amazwe beza bazohlala la. Bafike bafuna ukuba ngamaqhude emzini yobaba. Ngeke sikwazi ukuvuma lokho, asikwazi ukuhamba emhlabeni. Sishiye izwe siyibona inkinga. Singaba wrong ngendlela esi wrong ngayo, ngokwendlela abantu ababuka ngayo, but usizi thina esilubona lapha esihleli khona. Bafowethu, it's beyond explaining.
Yeah.
Okay, mfowethu
mina I like the whites who do the job who create the jobs not the mafias
Yeah.
ngifuna lento
yebo kodwa cha kuyafuneka phela itekisi elayisha usathane mayengafuna ukuma udriver bafe bonke.
Yeah.
before nivala mfowethu before mvala ngifuna ukucela into eyi-1 gama leshangana liphume kumlonyeni wenu from today
Aliyona phela inhlamba igama lithi Shangana. Njengomzulu nami. Cha, not in a bad way, baba. If we want to unite, this
mawupresa mina
yeah.
ngento e-right
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem
We agreed, yeah.
but mase uzocula kodwa uyolwa
No.
Hlangana liphume.
No.
Okay.
ufike ulwa nomakhelwane
Guys,
Icule
guys.
There's one little example eyeke yenziwa omunye wabantwana unfortunately usalimala emhlabeni sasilontshatha that was 2011 sisakaza kwanongoma emkhosini omhlanga yabona mangabe sisethula uhlelo lwethu sethula ngayibongo zamakhosi thema ngabe kufa kuyipika lapha ngibhathe ipikeni ngithi mina umbombo shomnyama umashikezela hashimpi yakhe uveze nonyanda vezikafa abantu kosala ibongo zosala zibadabule emanceweni ngibonga isilo udingani yabona wakhishima umntwana lapha nethi wadonsa izithekeli zakhe wathi lento eniyenzayo le i-wrong awukwazi ukuzobonga umuntu wabulala ilembe la ngathi mina hawu kodwa umntwana unjani ngaphelelwa inhlonipho ngaso sikhathi ngathi mina umlando awushintshwa ngisho umndeni ungahlala manzi wezihlambuluko kodwa ibongo ayishintshwa mina nobaba mizwa ngomthakathi ohambe ngokhalo abanye bekhudi ihosha kodwa umndeni usuhlangana uyinto eyodwa ukese masimbonga kufinyele abanikazi benkulumo khona la yini
Kodwa it depends gore le reng kokosheng yewe. If le aba embracer ile mashangana, I don't see a problem because now le opela
we
koshiwe
are going
le
back to the sensitivity part ngoba amashangana
Okay,
amazulu
ngicela malithi
No, it's
amashangana
not only two
liqale
pen.
aliyenze
we are
kanje
11 language why
Shangani.
Shangani.
we love you
No,
Okay.
no.
You love us and say get out.
love you.
So point is actually
There are kuna mashanga. No. Kuna mashanga.
endleleni
We Shangane so endleleni. No, they Shangane from South Africa.
No,
They
that-
Shangane from
that
outside the
part.
country. Who
Ours.
killed?
They
Who
were
killed
one.
DJ Wara?
We are one.
Babulalu DJ Wara.
We are one.
Babulalu Lucky Two.
We are one.
Yeah, kulungile.
We are one.
Okay.
Asiyenzeni kanje baba.
Silungezo
Manje lo. ingane eshangana lo muntu
Singane zamashanga nesongo. Ingane zamaZulu lo. lonke.
Ke kgopela go enda.
Manje mawuthi ngiwumZulu mina fanele manje ngiphatheke kabi. Amazulu anenkani. Thina sinandaba mawuthi akunenkani ngivele ngiyagiya la. Ngifuna ungibonga.
Kodwa ngempela liyasigulisha.
No,
Ngicela lisilalele.
There's no bullying.
Mina ngithi if liopela goshaye angazi ngiliyangizwa lizongizwa. Liopela goshaye. Hele mashangani suke endleleni and lili ko march to march. Foreigners sonto batho. Akere march to march is about foreigners. So if it's not sensitive and we shouldn't be sensitive ngiyacela. Ngicela ukuthi lithi shangani phume endleleni licede lifuthi lithi mzulu phume endleleni ukukhomba ukuthi it's not sensitive and we not going to be
wezulu
Abashangani Never. Why must we sing for them? Why must we sing for them? Why must we sing for you? Sing. We agree
This country is for all of us.
No. It's for South Africans. Not we are all of us. You all nonsense. All of
us. Citizen.
South Africa.
I'm talking about South African.
Ubalekile ngizwe khona i-connection engithole via Papa page ubaba wakho kuthiwa waseMozambique.
Ya umntwana emsemzambike lo.
Yeah, so ixoxa ngelinye ilanga boyifaka kwi-podcast. Bafowethu siza eGoli ngomhla ka-28 sizobe sisePitoli, ngomhla ka-29 sizobe silapha eGoli cela ukuthi lezi ingane zakithi eyidayisiswa umzimba ngenkani lapha eHillbrow amantombazana athathwe ijovwe ngomjovo idayisa umzimba noma ingasathandi ibe yihashi ikhwelwe izinkunzi ezu10 ngosuku ungasi ukuthi izomitha nini sithi sizothi leyo nto ayiphele lokhu kuhijackwa noma ukudlwengulwa noma ukuthathwa ngenkani kwamabhilidi abanikazi bawo bengazi kube umuntu othile waseNigeria kube umuntu othile waseMozambique kube umuntu othile waseZimbabwe naseMalawi naseBangladesh okuthi sephetheleni ibhilidi bonke abantu nama Bangladesh lawa nama Ethiopians nama Pakistan uyabo so bafowethu sithi sizothi ke lezi zakhiwo yize zenza iGoli libe lihle ayikwazi izakhiwo ukuthi ufike kuchwatha umuntu ethe phezulu 11th floor afinye ngetoilet paper ikhiphe ngewindi ngoba inhlanzeka akayaza akazafundiswe yona thina lapha eKwaZulu thina mangikhuluma ngokuthi thina KwaZulu ngikhuluma ngami neshangane lizokhuluma ngalo nevenda lizokhuluma ngalo nompethu uzokhuluma ngalo and then with all these different cultures then we unite sizokhuluma sesihlangene kodwa hayi ukuthi nisiphoqe ukuthi sithi singamaZulu nifune sibe inclusive njalo masikhuluma sodwa funa sibe inclusive nina manikhuluma nodwa asinisi ukuthi yes right that is us embrace us as we are siyacela bekhona uPapa Ben 28
27 so sifike eGoli 28 and 29 sila eGoli sizolungisa
mina namuhla la kubalabula kunamuhla leswi engahlangana hisona ekubani kubana ntibalelo ka leswi nga endleka ka masiku ndako kuri namuhla vitanane kuna mchangani kuna yini hi vanhu van'we leswi nga ruketelana aka social media sweri vanhu va hina Matsonga machangani kwala mga kona filani free izwele mina ti documentala kaya filani free
njalo wona lokho komfana ke kwakini ke ukubhize ngami lapha ku social media ukutshela kube khona lapha emashini ukhona nje lokho kunemqondo
nathi blue base
ube selelana
himi
no
mawuthitha mina uthitha bonke abantu nathi masintitha sithitha bonke abantu
ngihambe nakho indawo ende kabi lo
siyazwana
umelane nyo phela kulungile thina siyawinatha buka manje ngifake iXhosa le
idwaba sabafazi bamaXhosa
wangafanga isipela
ngapha
Bangitshelang
ngivunula isidwaba sabafazi bamaXhosa imvunulo yakho namadoda aqafa
ngiyaxolisa futhi ngiyaxolisa nabe kunene lapho ekugompo
uXhosa ngirepresent umZulu namhlanje sihlangane nawo baba uyihlangane
amathongo
mina ngiyitsonga ngiyithonga ngishangane yonke into ngangibiza ngayo.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah. Manje ke asike silwele ubunye ngamabomu nje ngizange
Sike silaye nje abantu.
United.
sibe into eyodwa.
Stand.
I love ukuthi
Ngempela.
debate ngoba ngishilo ukuthi sovumelana singaphikisani kodwa gcina usuku the common ground is one.
Yes, at the end of
Cha
the day.
mina njengonkosi khona kwandabandaba I love all cultures. Ngiyathi ukube nginaso isikhathi but it's just that I don't have time. I would learn these other languages. But ngicela bazi. Ngicela bazi abantu ukuthi ungabe umpedi umtsonga umsuthu uyinini cela nazi guys thina njengamaZulu we love you and don't be scared of us.
Yeah.
When we are dancing we get carried away by the spirit of the warriors because we are the descendant of the great.
I sing Zulu songs.
Yeah.
I collaborate with Zulu songs.
Yes.
Of
We
Zulu
need to
people.
go back to the studio.
Because
2001.
I believe that we are one.
Yeah.
Mana when is the remix of
Namanje ngiyenza collaboration ngisestudio mangikhuluma manje. No Mfariseni. Yeah, Mfariseni.
Bani lo?
Nithubani?
awusho labo aseba expire.
No one is
Faka
a
thina
legend.
estudio
He's a
sinengoma
legend.
Faka
He's a
thina
legend.
akusimfiliseni Magubane.
Yes.
Umfiliseni Magubane.
Yeah, wena. Wabona izulu liyona nezulu futhi.
No, akadi.
Mina,
We believe in the future.
Mina, I'm doing mangenza collaboration. I'm doing the peace.
Social
cohesion.
Hayi lokhu
Ntwana
nisheshile.
Warishaka.
Misolo nami solo.
Ntwana Warishaka. Anybody can sing with me. Any language you ask, welcome to Ahe.
We are coming.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Can we shut it? Can we end it?
Because you guys are beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Bekunandi namhlanje sinongizwe, sinondzaba, Papa Penny, Tebogo. Next week, siyaphinda senza njalo. Igama Pinky_Smallest24, Instagram, TikTok, yonke indawo. Senza njalo.
Amen.
Okay. Hold on.
Go baba.
Watch and learn. United, we stand here.
Content creators. Background music.
Nisibakele nduku.
Yeah. Presents for you.
Bapapapeni ngathi bangihamba ngathola ama stationery awu 2000 kanye nama 1000 and because presenter the country I decided to as a president not picking only our zone and also encourage my sister here and ngacela baba bapapeni empower kakhulu culturally ndawo yonke indlela ela thathe nazo icathulo baba uyohambiye nazo esigabeni
Yo,
ukuthi baba
yo.
uphe noma ngabe umuphi umndeni
Aye mwananga. Ayivule ngibone phela. Ngize ngifakele amabhomu angivule ngibone. Oh wow.
This is so sweet.
How many? Zingakana? Zingaki?
mhlawumbe
17.
or 17 ama folks is 17 by 17 shuthi almost 40.
Okay.
Yes.
No. Ngiyabonga. Na Kensa ngwena ntakunta mnika kwele Giyani. Yuma kwala ka Mabhinga. Namuntlha a hi hlangana ku ri ku va na ntwanano wa rixaka South Africa hinkwayo.
Yeah.
Se na Kensa mfo. Na Kensa n'wananga.
Okay.
Tonu ku n'wananga ku papa. Na Kensa n'wananga. Na Kensa n'wananga ku papa. Papa. Aye n'wananga. Leswi swi huma namuntlha ku ri ni ta mi nyika kwale makaya. Namuntlha hi vanhu van'we. We are one. Nyimpi ya hina hinkwenu. The fight is for all of us. The peace is inside of us. Ni vulavula hi xilungu xa broken because I grow broken. And then
I feel it.
yeah,
Feel you.
you understand? It's a communication.
Yes.
Yeah.
I speak poor English because I grow poor.
And it's not your
I'm not
language.
English.
Not your language.
Yize ngamaskepela.
Yes.
I'm trying to make them to understand. Loko no wabula Xitsonga xanga na bangeni tu hinkwavo. Se ni vula ku ri today I'm so happy. I believe umuntu mani join lapha
Being the nation.
Nation.
Being the
nizwa
nation.
ukuthi ukhuluma
Subscribe.
isishangane ningamshayi.
Join party.
Uyimanani. Uwenu. Because once you march you have all the nation.
Yeah.
All the language.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiyabonga nikhese sinene. Everything is aye.
Aye.
Everything is aye.
Sizokukhesha isinene.
Hayi niyathukana. Harukatana.
Mana nje bezicatshula siye village singaphelele ingane zakhe ezu32.
Sikhulile zinomizi yazo. Yeah, I'm only have two. The youngest 15 and 7 but
Very soon.
umsebenzi wami lo wakunikela.
Please invite us.
No.
Invite us. We
No,
want
it's not
to
your
come
cousin.
and
No, that's
No,
what
not
it's
cancer, Sinene, not cancer. Hey, I'm not singing here. Take your mic.
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yo, make my day.